This brand is made in the USA but is only sold through authorized dealers, and it is not easy to locate a dealer. The units do not come with a standard thermostat control, but it is offered as a factory-installed option. Their 5-blade fan and aerodynamically designed housing maximize the airflow on the roof-mounted models, and they are available in either high or low-profile units. They use durable and efficient ECM motors and have a weather-resistant powder-coated housing. The Tilt series is available in 2 sizes and allow positioning the panel to maximize solar gain, while the Embedded series offers a 900 CFM model where the panel is embedded in the housing. The Remote series offers 4 sizes of units where the solar panel can be remote mounted, which is good for cases where the fan must be mounted on the north side of the roof, while the Gable Series units are available in 3 sizes. This brand receives an overall 5-star top pick rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.